and we're gonna make the classic kale salad. And we're gonna be doing some massaging, so make sure you wash your hands nice and neat because you're gonna be massaging some kale. And here we have our lovely bunch of kale. We're gonna massage a little bit of Himalayan salt into the kale, and then we're gonna dress it. Very simple dressing, apple cider vinegar, olive oil. Now, you can also add one of your favorite dressings to the salad afterwards, but this is just kind of to make this all in one. We're also going to dice up a little tomato on there and put some avocado. So it's a grab and go, ready to eat salad. And this will store in the refrigerator for about a week. So, you know, you can make a nice salad at the beginning of the week and then dish it out. You can even mix it with other leafy greens if you want. So here we have our kale. I actually have it in this little mason jar with water. And this is the best way to keep kale. You can, depending on how cool it is in the house, you could keep it on your countertop. It's actually a nice little arrangement, an edible arrangement. Or you could put it in the refrigerator and, you know, put one of those little veggie bags over it to keep it from drying out. But this is how kale likes to be stored. You can put it in the little veggie drawer, but it's gonna start to wilt and get limp. And actually kale, if you do store it in the fridge and it starts to get withered and limp, you can soak it in cold water and for about an hour, and it'll liven back up. So kale's pretty resilient like that. Stemming and massaging kale is something you learn in like Raw Food 101. So here we go, Raw Food 101. This is your kale. This is the stem. Hold the stem, strip the kale. It's that easy. Actually, you can juice the stems. Definitely a leafy green with a strong flavor. It's in the cruciferous family, so that means it's like related to your broccoli and your collards and cabbage. So it definitely has a stronger flavor than let's say lettuce or spinach. Stemming 2 kale at a time, just like, so there we go. So you think, wow, that's a lot of kale. Look at this bowl is like overflowing. Well, once we get this kale massaged properly, it will shrink down just like it's been steamed. Okay, so here's the last little stem. I'll take a bite. Oh yeah, that's kale all right. Okay. Like I said, make sure your hands are washed, nice and clean. Here's like 1/8 of a teaspoon of Himalayan salt. Sprinkle that on there. So we're doing raw kale, but we're massaging it. It makes it a lot easier to enjoy and digest. Kale likes it rough. Just remember that. Don't have to be gentle. So you get in here and you squeeze and you rip and you squeeze and you rip. Those of you familiar with Reiki, you know, you can do your little Reiki on the kale, and then everybody, you basically get that positive energy in the food. Okay, so if you've done this right, the kale looks like it's been steamed. It's got this nice glossy sheen to it. It's kind of wilted. That the kale is all massaged and chilling, we just let them relax. You know, it's nothing like after getting a massage is a good relaxing. So we'll just put him off to the side. We got our lemon juice. You can put that on there. And then a little bit of olive oil. While that soaks in. Okay, avocado. I like to dice my avocado in the skin. Now this is just, as I said, a very basic kale salad 101. It's nothing like using a sharp knife. Makes life so much easier. You know you got decent knives when they cut through tomato skin this easy. So with that, our salad is complete. Mix it up. Really nice and coated. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. This was a massaged kale salad. Super simple and super tasty.